Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will look at the basic notations in algebra, okay? So that will be the keyword is notation. And in algebra, we use symbols, usually letters, to represent the numbers. So in this case, if a number that is placed before a letter, this is known as the coefficient. Okay? And letters, not only X, but other letters, which can represent any number, we call them the variable. It comes from the word vary. Alright? That means the value of this letter varies. Last, if there is a number, fixed number, that is not in front of any variable, this is known as a constant because there's only one fixed value or number for this particular number. So these are the three terms that you need to know in all algebraic expression. Alright? And in both algebra and arithmetic, the signs plus, minus, times, divide, equal have the same meaning, and the order of operations apply as well. So as we move on, let's have a look at, now I'm going to zoom in to the operation. Alright, so this is where I will start to zoom in. For addition, when we perform the arithmetic, add 2 to 3, we can write it as 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. They have the same value, meaning they are equal to each other. 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. So we apply this to algebra now. Add 2 to A. We could then write this as 2 plus A or A plus 2. Both are equivalent, meaning both are equal to each other. So the rules apply similarly for arithmetic and algebra. So for subtraction, though we are very strict, okay? Subtract 5 from 23. The word from means that we must start from 23. So it's 23 minus 5. And this is not equal to 5 minus 23. They have different values. So if I apply this here, subtract B from C, what letter do I start from? B or C? Very good. We start with the letter C and we are going to minus B from C. Okay, notice that this is not equal to B minus C. Alright, to make it straightforward, this is wrong. Alright, let's move on to multiplication. And for multiplication, multiply 2 by 7 simply means 2 times 7, and it has the same value as 7 times 2, same as addition. Okay, and we shall apply this over to algebra, but there's a catch, okay? 2 times A is the same as A times 2, and we don't leave it as this as it is now in algebra. Okay, so we will write it as 2a. Alright, do take note that the coefficient which we have learned is always in front of the variable. Alright, so the coefficient at this stage, I would just want to highlight that the coefficient 2, so I'm going to make it coefficient 2 is, let me move this to the side, in front of the variable. Okay, so the coefficient is 2. The variable in this case is a. Alright, last part for division. Divide 1 by 3 is 1 divided by 3. It is not equal to 3 divided by 1. Okay, so this one is wrong. So if I apply this over to the other side, then x, divide x by y would then be x divide by y, and this will be x over y. Okay, and we must leave it in this form. Alright, and do take note also, in particular the y cannot be equals to 0 because we don't divide by 0. And with that, let me bring it back across to here. Yep, with that we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.